Today we're going to make a quick video on this Blue Devil do-it-yourself, easy to use pour and go head gasket sealer. Alright, so we have this 2000 and I want to say 11 or 12 Genesis Turbo 2.0, and what I am doing right now is I am trying to remove the drain plug for the radiator. There it is. I'm draining some of the radiator fluid out as per the instructions say. We just want to make enough room to fit that bottle in there. Alright, so it says engine must be cooled. If the radiator is full, drain down the antifreeze to allow enough capacity for the Blue Devil. Alright, check. Important, pour slowly. Start the engine while cold. Turn the heater on max with engine idling. Slowly pour Blue Devil into the radiator. If the vehicle does not have a radiator cap with the engine off and cold, pour the Blue Devil in through the top of the radiator hose. After pouring the Blue Devil, slowly replace the radiator cap. Let vehicle idle with the cap on for 15 minutes, maintaining normal operating temperature. After that, when you turn off the vehicle, top off the radiator with antifreeze and water so the Blue Devil can remain in the system and do his job. Sweet, so I went ahead and drained that, and we'll go ahead and start the vehicle now. Alright, vehicle is started. 2011. Alright, and we'll slowly pour this in. Oh, might need a funnel. Did not pour none though, so I'm doing good so far. Just pour it nice and slowly, and just make sure you pour everything in there. Alright, and we'll pour some antifreeze in there. Slowly get all the air out. That way we have a nice full system and we have no overheating issues. Alright, there it is, nice and topped off. We'll go ahead and close that up. We'll turn the heater on. Turn the heat all the way up. There's all the way up on high, and we'll turn that all the way up and we'll let that chill for a good 50 minutes. Alright, so it's been 50 minutes. Temperature is pretty cool. We're still running on hot for the temperature blowing for the heater. So now we'll go ahead and turn it off. We'll let it sit, and then we'll check the radiator, open up the cap, and just fill it up with coolant, and that's pretty much it. Alright, the engine's nice and cool, so I'm going to go ahead and just top it off with coolant. And just pour this nice and slowly, get all the bubbles out. Alright, there it is, nice and topped off. And we'll just put the cap back on, and we're set. We just got to drive it around, and that should take care of it. Alright, and there it is, and that is how you use this Blue Devil, the pour and go head gasket sealer. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.